Today, let's talk about something that can really make or break a classroom: quick and efficient transitions between activities. You know as well as I do how transitioning from one activity to another can be a bit like herding cats if not managed well. But when done right, these transitions can keep the energy up and maintain that precious momentum in the classroom. First up, preparation is key. Having materials ready and a clear plan can make all the difference. And then there are signals. A consistent signal to indicate a transition, like a bell, clapping pattern, or even a specific phrase in the target language, can work wonders. It's a cue for students to switch gears mentally. Have you tried using visual timers or countdowns? They're fantastic for giving students a clear sense of remaining time for an activity. They build anticipation and focus. And when students can see the time ticking down, they're more likely to wrap up their current task and prepare for the next one. Also, why not make transitions fun? A quick stretch, a language game, or a funny phrase in the target language can turn a mundane shift into an enjoyable moment. One thing we sometimes forget is actually teaching and practicing transitions. Just like any classroom procedure, transitions need to be taught. Running a few drills on moving from one activity to another can set clear expectations. Practice makes perfect. Finally, reflection and adjustment. Sometimes a transition strategy might not work as well as we thought, and that's okay. It's all about trying, reflecting, and tweaking. Each class has its own rhythm, and finding what works best sometimes requires a bit of experimentation. Efficient transitions not only save valuable class time, but also help maintain a positive learning environment. Have you got any transition tricks up your sleeve? I'd love to hear how you keep things flowing smoothly in your classroom. Happy comprehensible input!